Welcome to a virtual design presentation brought to you by Fizz Interiors. Today, we are proud to present a virtual walkthrough showcasing the incredible potential this 2-bedroom and den 2-bathroom condo holds. Please come in. Adding wall-to-wall, floor-to-ceiling, retractable patio doors will optimize the unobstructed views and give you seamless indoor-outdoor living and entertaining space. Custom built-ins spanning the living room wall feature a contemporary fireplace clad in wood and porcelain. The open concept is bright and relaxing with a color palette of warm woods, subtle nods to the ocean, and clean modern tones. Sleek, minimalist furniture and strategically placed lighting will create a warm, inviting atmosphere, perfect for both intimate gatherings and lively entertaining. Heated large-format tile floors will instantly update the space. Replacing the current window in the dining room with a bifold patio door will allow easy access to an outdoor dining or lounging area. Natural light will flood the space. The kitchen is a chef's dream with its sleek white and walnut custom cabinetry, complemented by a seamless porcelain counter and backsplash. In this design, there is room for a prepping island in addition to the extensive peninsula. Transforming redundant closet space into full-height pantries will provide plenty of storage solutions. An adjacent bar is within easy reach of the living room and dining area. Down the hallway, the bedroom and bathrooms are ideally separated from the main living and entertaining areas. A full laundry room provides additional storage. The den provides the perfect private office space to work from home. With just a little effort, the current ensuite bath will be converted into the main bath with additional access from the second bedroom, currently the primary bedroom. A beachy theme carries the soothing blue tones throughout the space. The second bedroom will be easily upgraded, turning it into a versatile space adaptable to your needs, be it a guest room, home office, or creative studio. There is a walk-in closet and plenty of room for a queen-size bed. Across the hall, the primary bedroom is tranquil and sleek, with a wall of custom wardrobes and room for a king-sized bed. Bay windows look out onto Comox Avenue. The current main bath with skylight will become the spa-inspired ensuite with double sinks, steam shower with bench, and plenty of storage. This vision for this condo is a testament to what's possible when you are beginning with a spacious floor plan, great bones, and solid construction. With a bit of imagination and expertise, your dream home awaits. Please visit Fizz Interiors for your interior design needs and virtual interior design help.